I'm just trying to delay this thing going into my mouth. Woohoo! What do you got in that one?
Hello, I'm Brian Malarkey, and I'm your host of Flamers, our own little interpretation of Hot Ones. And today we are with special guest, kind of special guest, wannabe celebrity chef Carlos Anthony.
That's me.
That is him. Today we are going to be enjoying some incredible hot sauces from right up the street in Oceanside. This is California Hot Sauce Solutions, and we have Tina joining us here to give us a little roadmap as we have quite an adventure in our palates coming up.
I want you to know, I love spicy food. I love it.
And to make this a little more interesting, my hot sauce is not hot at all, and Carlos's is fire. He's eating the sun. Shh. So, Tina, can you tell us about the very first hot sauce we'll be starting with today?
Yeah, so the bean sauce is a jalapeno. It's got some black and pinto beans in there, a little bit of lime juice, about 10,000 Scoville heat units.
Oh, I love that.
Carlos Anthony, I'm not quite sure if you know how this show works, but you're gonna actually remove the lid and put it on your first chicken wing.
Got it. I'm a flats guy myself.
I will
here.
see you. I'm gonna watch how much you put on, and I will put on the same amount.
I'm jumping right in. I'm excited. First bite, you know.
I like the black bean. I like the lime.
Well, we're starting off a little bit spicy. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Really?
You don't think it's spicy at all?
I'm getting spicy now.
I will dip it. I love the flavor. It keeps bringing you back.
Yeah.
You know?
The lime's aggressive. I mean, the lime's nice. It lifts it up a lot.
Really stinking good. This is my kind of spice right here. High on the palate. It's a bright heat.
But you might be right. You may really not be a full Mexican, but your little quarter that you are is gonna maybe help you out a little
You're
bit.
struggling. You don't have to ask me questions here, right?
Okay, Carlos
Carlos
Anthony, as a relatively unknown here in San Diego, I'd like to ask you what kind of inspired your culinary passions?
I'm not from San Diego. I grew up in Arizona, and my grandparents raised me. So a lot of my food background, my love of cooking, and it gets you, it creeps up there.
Yeah.
Comes from my grandma. And you know, she was never classically trained, but she always cooked for us. We always had a home-cooked meal. And that really stuck with me. And you know, I try to bring that to my cooking now. This is fun. Oh, okay. I was gonna not drink anything, but I'm gonna just skip it right away in the first one. We'll start with some water.
Right to the water. Let's take
Should
it
we
to the
move
next
on?
sauce. Yes, yes.
Let's move on.
All right, next one we got La Pistola. We got smoked strawberries, habanero Fresno, and I want to be about 25,000 Scovilles.
How are you doing over there? Are you watching him, Tina? Is he putting like a little tiny bit on there?
He's going punch for punch.
Oh, I went a little bit big on that one. Oh God, oh God.
I love the addition of strawberry. You can smell those
Very
sweet,
popular sauce.
sweet notes.
I got the strawberry.
Habanero, is that what we got here?
Yeah.
can-
A lot of habanero, Fresno. Throw some super hots in there.
I'm too biting it.
You can taste it with that fruitiness. It's really nice.
I like the fruit.
Oh, I like this a lot.
Sweet on the palate.
That's what I got.
La Pistola is really good on ice cream.
Interesting.
What?
Yeah.
I like that idea
like
of ice
cheesecake.
cream and the fact that you would
Yeah.
have like the cold
little
ice
bit of
cream in this.
Tina, this one creeps.
Yeah, that sugariness of the strawberries.
I was gonna put
Like
more
I
on there,
said.
Tina. What the hell? No, it
Okay.
gets really hot.
This show keeps on rolling. As far as your culinary career goes, when did you realize that success was fleeting? That you essentially would never get to the top of the mountain.
I'm glad you explained that further. I was really struggling with fleeting, but
Failure is inevitable. When did you first really realize that?
well, let me tell you, I left you for a second and I thought, heck, this looks easy. I mean, this guy's doing it. And I realized the hard way.
I get that. That's funny. That's me. Yeah.
I realized the hard way it's incredibly difficult out there. And, you know, so I came crawling back. But what it really was is that, honestly, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. But yeah, that'll keep you
No,
coming
but
back.
I kind of want to take it more to present tense also, Carlos.
I feel like, you know, I'm a culinary star, buddy. I keep winning these competitions. I don't know how many you've won.
Oh, well, that takes me to my next question here. Let's just wait. Let's keep on going. Smoked pepper hot sauce.
You got mango, pineapple, papaya, smoked habanero, about 40,000 Scovilles.
Carlos.
They
Carlos.
literally call them shakes. Oh, no. Let's go. Honestly, I will be real. I love this flavor, though.
Do I have
I'm
armpit stains?
It's really. You're sweating.
I need a bandana. Oh. Oh.
You know, this one's hot at the beginning. Oh, see, all of these like really build. The flavor is like. I see what you did there. I see what you did there.
Horror. Okay, Carlos.
It's getting close to my eyes. I really got to be careful. I'm so terrified.
Carlos,
Yes, sir.
having watched you, oh my God, I almost touched my eye. Having watched you on countless culinary competition shows,
Yeah.
knowing you've never really beat anyone of significance, what does it feel like to lose to Jet Tila so many times?
Uncle Jet. Uncle Jet, man.
More like, I think he's your daddy because he's got your number.
You know, honestly, at this point, I feel like unless I have like a Tony Hardy moment, I'm not gonna ever beat him. But hoping to
Oh,
don't
like you're going
do
to
anything.
go club poor Jet Tila in the kneecap?
This was not an admission of guilt.
I mean,
his
knowing
wife-
that you've won some low-level cooking competition shows, does that make you realize that you've never beat anybody good?
You know what? It's hard to go up against Jet Tila. I'll be real. My
No,
first
I'm
time-
talking just about anyone you've gone up against has beat you.
You know, I beat your buddy Eric Greenspan. Archie, I beat some other guy I won't talk about.
I'm not saying I love Eric Greenspan.
I beat
but
you.
He makes toasted cheese sandwiches.
I beat you in a show.
They told me you were going to beat me before you
So,
started. So it
just
was-
saying.
Just to get him on. Get him on.
I'm gonna-
another show. Yeah.
New paper towel. Let me say this about Jet Tila. He's incredible competition. Like, he's really good. When I first went up against him the first time, I was like, I'm gonna kick this old man's butt. And
Well, that hurts me because he's actually younger than I am.
yeah, it should. And he whooped the floor with me. He's really talented. I'm coming for you, Jet Tila.
The OG.
The OG, the classic sauce that kind of started it all, which is small batch, chile de árbol, guajillo, habanero. It's gonna be about 50,000 Scovilles.
Okay, we're going right into here.
Watching you again. No, I don't care. I think I'm so burnt, I think I can't taste anything anymore.
I'm getting emotional.
Oh, I'm shaking.
Okay,
Oh my God. This one jumps right up and gets you.
your lips are so red, dude. Ooh, you sweet little treat.
I double bid that one.
Oh, I see why this is the original. This has got Flavor City right here.
So, moving on.
They're all so sneaky.
Carlos, what culinary style do you think defines you? Because the rest of us have no idea what kind of food you're cooking. Like, what are you really making? I mean,
I don't know.
can you put it into words?
It's like an enigma wrapped in a riddle.
I mean, it's not really Mexican. It's not really American. I wouldn't see French or Italian or Mediterranean
Holy
styles in there either.
Labels out, pal. I really don't freaking know. Honestly, I've worked with you for so long, and we've opened up so many different kinds of restaurants and styles, and worked with so many different amazing chefs that I've really been inspired by so. Yeah, give me it. I feel, inspiration comes in many different forms. Also, I'm California, baby. We like different things up here, around here, in here. No man left behind. There's a lot of meat on your bones.
I just took 2 bites. That's all I was promising to do. Okay, we're getting down to the end here.
We got fermented garlic, fermented chili mash, red Savina, habanero, Fresno, a whole bunch of garlic, and a little bit of black truffle, probably around 60,000 Scovilles.
Oh my God, I overdid it.
I did too. Let's go, buddy.
You got any more thought-provoking questions over there, pal?
Yeah, I got
You got any more hard-hitting fucking stumpers, huh?
Yep.
All right.
Let's go.
I think one of the great things about Hot Ones is the interviewers typically so well versed and educated on the question matter.
Are you putting words together right now called sentences?
I'm just trying to delay this thing going into my mouth. Oh God. Okay. Ooh.
Oh. Okay, Carlos. Realizing the tremendous amount of failure you've had in this profession, are you thinking of maybe trying a different line of work?
Oh. Carey.
Oh my God.
Okay. Honestly, I think I'm doing a bang-up job, pal.
Okay.
I think people out there agree with me. I'm doing the best I can with, the mentor I was given. I mean, you follow this guy around and you think, this is a real win. Woohoo! What do you got in that one? No, that one is hot.
That one's got a little bit of a Reaper and 7 pot.
I can't finish this one.
Oh, well, this brings me to the last question. Actually, this isn't really a question, it's more of a statement. Carlos, how would you feel if you were to realize that you were the only one actually eating hot sauce?
Shut up. I would freak out. You're not. Am I really? No way, are you?
Ooh, I'm feeling good.
I've had enough.
I think it's great. I don't know what your problem is, Carlos.
Let me see this. Are you really?
I got you.
Shut up. Oh, you're such a dick.
More importantly, let me know how it works out for you tomorrow morning.
Wait, you're joking. This is all a bit?
Thank you, Tina.
No way, give me the hot one. This is a prank. That's not how he does it on Hot Ones. That's not how he does it on Hot Ones.
And this is Flamer.
Are you serious?
Ba, 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 ba.
That's really sweet. God damn it! I quit this show. I've had enough of this stupid show. Pulling pranks on me all the time. I've had enough.
You see me like fanning myself and stuff? That was like some Academy Award stuff there. Leonardo was training me earlier today on how to pull this thing off.
Whatever, end the show. Get it, wrap it up, roll the credit. Cut.
And again, I'm Brian Malarkey. Thank you so much for joining us on Flamers.
I'm pissed off at you. I'm pissed off at you. I'm pissed off at all of you. Everyone behind the camera too. You all suck. Everyone played this up so good. Oh, do you think Malarkey likes chili? I was worried about you, man. Ugh.